door right here. That's what the hinge looks like. The nails are coming out of the wood from all the warping over the years. There's some maps, the kind that you'd have all on a stick and be able to flip through. This is Tennyson. It was printed July 1912. There's a whole bookshelf of books in tatters. Lady of the Lake, Canto 1 by Owen Publishing Company. A Christmas Carol in Prose by Charles Dickens. No date on it. I'll just point out right here, this is not like a pattern of bird poop. This is actually the paint coming off punched tin. As you can see the pattern underneath. That's pretty awesome. Just got to take a little bit closer look. Sometimes these wear patterns, they'll blind you to something that's underneath, like this nice turquoise paint that's on this. Coming off in that pattern, it's beautiful. There's some roofing shingles that would have been good to use. This wooden chair's busted. This box here, I don't know what it's to. There's what their coat hooks look like. That's funny. I don't know what this is underneath here. It looks like a cushion of some sort. This is a piano. Unfortunately knocked over. Lots and lots of jars. Wonder what they were doing here. Looks like something from the 80s, late 70s. Out of place washing machine. The chalkboard over there stands out to me. That could be really, really old. Look at the legs on that. Has that right there. This table has some nice legs to it. This box right here says Earring Tree by Novo. This book is open to this page. The Light of the Western Stars. lawnmower. This is another lawnmower. Makeshift lawnmower. I think that might have been a stove in the time of the schoolhouse. Votes cast county on the 5th day of November 1946. This is, I guess, a ballot. That's neat. Huh. Those old black rocks look like coal. Huh. Alright. The roof has seen better days. All of the drywall has fallen off of it, and basically it is the ground here. And I guess this is it for this place.